And I was just like I was just, I was just so excited. That's what happened. Then I like jumped at him and was like, hey, we're shooting air. We got it. We're first dish here at Aaron Franklin's new spot, Uptown Sports Club, right on the east side. Chicken and sausage gumbo. Got some rice underneath. See what that bite's like. Wow, super flavorful. Trust me, I did a gumbo competition once. I was a judge. And this gumbo takes first prize all day. So,
cool. What'd you order?
I had the club and the shrimp po' boy.
Sports Club is one of my favorite sandwiches here.
Yeah, with the champagne vinaigrette. It's really good. And then we had the gumbo and the red beans and rice.
Nice, which is vegan.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's
what's missing.
Both of them?
The red beans and rice is vegan.
Okay.
Yeah, the gumbo is definitely not.
No. What do you guys put in there? Sausage and
sausage, chicken. So it's Franklin sausage, and then we poach a bunch of chickens. Chicken. It's about 50% chicken stock, and then 50% veal stock that goes in there, and a whole bunch of layers and other stuff going on.
It seemed very.
It's about a 3-day process for each batch.
All right, check out this shrimp po' boy. Man, this thing looks crispy and delicious. I gotta get a bite of this. The shrimp, extra crispy. Fantastic pickles. Great crunch on the shrimp. Gotta go one more. Shrimp game strong. Check out these fries. Man, came out smelling fantastic. I'm a sucker for a good crispy fry. Crunch down. Okay, another side that I always order, whether it's at a barbecue place or pretty much anywhere, potato salad. So, looks fantastic. Some nice green onions on top. Got some chives in there. Really refreshing. All right, check out this big boy right here. This is the Sports Club. It has turkey, roast beef, and bacon with a champagne vinaigrette. Let's see what it's working with. I can taste that champagne vinaigrette. Very refreshing, very crisp. What a great sandwich. The Sports Club going down. Bomb. All right, we got the OG New Orleans special right here. Red beans and rice. This is that energy-packed meal that will keep you going all day right here. It has like a gumbo, thick broth underneath. Got a great flavor. Really good red beans and rice. So who came up with, I mean, when the 6 years and, you know, going through the build, when did you decide that it was going to be a New Orleans style?
Well, and it's still not really a New Orleans thing.
Okay.
That's just kind of like the day menu, but it's like a Texas brasserie.
Okay.
It's kind of like what the intention is, but it's kind of, in my head, like all the dishes really fit together. You know, you got like crab louis, you got wedge salads, you got raw bar, you got some po' boys, you got some gumbo, you got steak frites. You know, we've got like a grilled fish on the menu at night. You know, we've got like a big, just classic burger.
I heard about the burger.
Yeah, burgers.
I heard.
Rich.
You guys
Very
do,
rich.
Just got the burger. Look at that bad boy. Freestone Farms beef. It's like a blend of skirt, brisket. Looks phenomenal. Some dry aged cheese. American, stacked with pickles. Wow. Best burger in Austin, hands down. Peace.
It's skirt, ribeye cap, and brisket. It's mostly brisket, but it's the same cows that we're getting the Franklin briskets from.
Yeah, Creekstone.
So we form our patties and grind them up in Kansas.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, so it's kind of, you know, a little like New Orleans-y during the day, a little like brasserie, but kind of just like Texas-y. It's all through the lens of like, you know, the crossover that is Texas barbecue pretty much.
All right, last bite. Had to get the bread pudding. It's delicious. Warm. Great little crunch on the outside, sweet. That's a bomb dessert.
Kind of the catalyst for this whole thing was just trying to save a cool old building. I mean, we've all driven by it for years. It's been vacant since 1999. I, you know, poked through the, you know, the cracks in the windows, hoping like, oh, can I build Franklin barbecue here? Moody looked at it for Mohawk. I mean, everybody in Austin is like driven by this place practically and be like, oh. And, you know, it's like, don't tear it down. Save the clock tower.
Everybody's wanted it.
So we've been fiddling with it for about 6 years. You know, it was never really meant to be like a po' boy place or a brasserie or whatever. We just kind of let the building kind of tell us, and the building feels really New Orleans-y. I mean, it's got like the corner entrance. It's from the mid to late 1800s. We can't really figure out when exactly it was built. But, you know, it's like just sitting in here with a dirt floor, you know, and just barely a roof and these four walls and these old transom windows and all boarded up and graffiti and a bunch of weird dolls in here. Like, well, it feels pretty gumbo-y.
Yeah.
And gumbo's always kind of been my liquid brisket. I grew up eating like etouffees and gumbos at my grandpa's house, and he was from Evangeline, Louisiana and stuff. So that was all, you know, when I was a kid, he's the guy that really got me cooking. He was like, boy, get over here. Let me show you how to make a roux. What's a roux?